Example 3a, now we're going to take a look at how we solve logarithmic equations. My equation here, I have the log of 3 minus 2x equals -1. Now I have to get x by itself somehow, but since I have the log of something including x, I can't just, subtract 3 and divide by 2, okay? What I have to do, if we have a log, we need to switch to exponential form. And keep in mind that if the base of our logarithm isn't written in, our base really is 10. So I'll write that here in my pink. This really means the log base 10 of 3 minus 2x equals -1. So from here, 10 is the base for my log. That's the base for the exponent as well. 10 to the negative first power equals 3 minus 2x. Okay, from here, well, 10 to the negative first power, we could just say that's 1/10, right? Now from here, we go through our normal steps to get x by itself. We just have a fraction along the way, which I know we're not a huge fan of, but it's okay, we can make it work. So we subtract 3 from both sides. And then eventually we're going to divide by 2, but let's simplify this side a little bit more. If I have 1/10 minus 3, I need common denominators in order to actually subtract. So keep in mind that this 3, we need to write as something over 10. 3 is 30 over 10. And then I subtract straight across. So 1/10 minus 30/10 is -29 over 10. Looks kind of gross. And then we need to divide each side by 2 by -2. Which again, this is looking pretty gross. So -29 over 10 divided by -2. Dividing by 2, remember, is the same thing as multiplying by 1/2. And that makes our problem a little bit easier since I have a fraction over here to begin with. Now I multiply straight across the tops, straight across the bottoms. -29 times -1 is +29. 10 times 2 is 20. And 29 over 20 can't simplify, can't reduce at all. So my answer, x, is 29 over 20.